Hello kids, welcome to the Little Wondering Minds. Today we will learn about the opposite words. Boy is opposite of girl. Girl is opposite of boy. Sweet, ice cream is sweet. Sour, the lemons are sour. Sweet, sour. Big, an aeroplane is big. Kite, a kite is small. Big, small. Full, the glass is full of water. Empty, the glass is empty. Full, empty. Hot, it's such a hot weather today. Cold, it's a cold weather today. Hot, cold. Outside, let's play outside. Inside, let's play inside the home. Outside, inside. Bad, throwing the garbage out is bad. Good, throwing the garbage in the bin is good. Bad, good. Happy, we are happy playing together. Sad, I'm so sad today. Happy, sad. Light, let's switch on the light in the room. Dark, the room is so dark, there is no light in the room. Light, dark. Old, the man is old. Young, the boy is so young. Old, young. High, the hot air balloon is flying high in the sky. Low, the balloon is low in the air. High, low. Near, the boy is standing near the tree. Far, the girl is standing far from the tree. Near, far. Thick, the book is so thick. Thin, the notebook is so thin. Thick, thin. Strong, the kid is so strong. She is lifting heavy things. Weak, the boy is weak. Strong, weak. Heavy, the pumpkin is heavy. Light, orange is lighter than pumpkin. Heavy, light. Open, the door is open. Closed, the door is closed. Open, closed. Clean, let's clean up the room. Dirty, muddy puddles are dirty. Clean, dirty. Short, the rabbit is so short. Tall, the giraffe is very tall. Short, tall. Few, there are very few leaves in the plant. Many, there are so many leaves in the tree. Few, many. So now you know a lot of opposite words. Let's play a fun game. Tell me, what's the opposite of near?
We share something new every day. To get the updates, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.